When we arrive at a job site, the land is clean and untouched. Only a few flags marking the area, where something strong and lasting will soon take shape. This is where every great concrete foundation begins, with planning, precision, and respect for the process. The first step is layout. We install string lines to define the exact footprint of the structure. To ensure everything is perfectly square, we apply the Pythagoras method, measuring and verifying angles, so the entire foundation is aligned with true precision. Accuracy at this stage determines the quality of everything that follows. With the layout confirmed, we establish elevation. Using a self-leveling laser, we determine the desired finished height of the slab. And verify level across the entire site. Every reference point is checked. Carefully to guarantee consistency from corner to corner. Once measurements and elevation are verified, we begin preparing the base. Fill dirt is delivered and placed across the foundation area. Our equipment spreads and grades the soil evenly, shaping the surface to match the required elevation. If additional height is needed, more material is brought in and the grading process is repeated until the correct level is achieved. After the grade is formed, the base is refined and compacted to create stability. We then install a layer of crushed concrete on top of the prepared soil. This layer is compacted thoroughly to form a strong, uniform base capable of supporting the slab for years to come. With the base complete, attention turns to the structure itself. We clean and shape the perimeter beams that will reinforce the edges of the slab and help distribute load properly. Next, a plastic vapor barrier is installed across the entire surface. This protective layer prevents moisture from rising through the ground and protects the integrity of the concrete over time. Now we begin structural reinforcement. Rebar is carefully placed 18 inches on center, forming a reinforced grid throughout the slab area. We construct reinforced beams using stirrups to strengthen key structural points. Chairs are used to elevate the rebar so it sits at the correct position within the concrete. Allowing the steel to perform exactly as intended. With preparation complete, the concrete placement begins. Concrete is poured evenly across the foundation while our crew manages distribution, depth and consistency. We level the surface, smooth it carefully, and perform the finishing process to achieve a clean, durable, polished floor. What began as a marked piece of land is now a solid, professionally built foundation, completed through precision, experience and attention to every detail. If you're planning your next project, and want a foundation built the right way from the ground up, contact us today. We're ready when you are.